Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be planning for 4th of July week. So I'm gonna show you what I'm thinking about this week. Let's see. So I'm gonna be using a printable as well as some bottom washi and headers from some bottom washi and date covers from Sadie stickers. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the full boxes. If you've been watching me, you know that my Cricut always cuts it all the way through. I don't know what setting to put it on yet, but I really love these tall boxes. And this is the next full box. And this is the bottom washi that I got from Sadie stickers. It was in a oops bag, and I thought it would pull in really nicely because of the background or the scene. The pink there looks really nice together, so I'm gonna use that and just go with the flow. I also have some date dots that I'll be using. So these are the date dots. So yeah, hopefully it turns out good and you all will stick around with me. So I'm adding these rose half circles from Sadie stickers, and I cut them in half. This also came in my oops bag. So I'm gonna remove this But moving on, I'm adding a half box from Sadie Stickers. And I'm going to remove that divider, and I'm adding these double star decos from Sadie Stickers just to add some like sparkle there. And then I'm going to go back and add the scallop divider. Using some mini deco from Sadie Stickers just to add some sparkle to the full boxes, just where I think necessary. So on Monday I had my coffee. I've really been enjoying like making my coffee at home now. I either use like the coffee grounds from Maxwell, I think that's what it is, or the K-Cups from Starbucks, the creme brulee. I've really been liking that one. So next I did some filming and editing, and I'm just pulling in a piece of deco from the kit. Then I'm pulling in a half box, and this icon is from Paper Muse Craft to mark that I got some Happy Mail. And then later that day I also did some cleaning. I just did a deep clean to the boys' bathroom, and then I tidied up my craft space, which I try to clean the boys' bathroom as often as I can because, yeah. So these scripts, I made them myself because I just didn't like how my handwriting was looking. So I just made some scripts for like the common things that I say or the common things that I do throughout the week. Also, that cup icon is also from Paper Muse Craft. All of the little bow icons are from Paper Muse Craft. On to Tuesday, I uploaded a Plan With Me video on my channel, pulling in some more deco, adding some mini deco from Sadie Stickers. This squiggle is also from Sadie Stickers. I'm so happy that I got a couple of the oops bags because there's so many things that I can pull now to fill in like any space that I don't want or that I think is unnecessary. So yeah, I'm taking a half box here from the printable kit to mark that I did a craft. I did a DIY happy planner cover, and also later that night Babe made chicken soup because he wasn't feeling well. Well, like we made it together, like, so yeah, that is what we had for dinner. On Wednesday I went to the gym like for the first time in a while. Like I get like these moments of like depression or just being down and I don't want to do anything, so I do like to mark when I go to the gym. So I went to the gym and I did cardio, which is when I get on the bicycle, and then I do the bicycle for your arms as well. I don't know what that machine is, but that's normally what I do. And I pulled in a script of hollow there. It's from Shine Sticker Studio, and I just saw it with some hollow there on a washi script, and I just cut it off of there so I can have that. Pulling in some more deco from the printable, and I'm marking that I did another upload. Pulling in a squiggle from Sadie Stickers, and later that afternoon we did a Walmart run to get a couple of things for the house, as well as to cook later on that night. I think we ended up not even cooking, we just ate like leftovers. So yeah, all of these scripts I'm so happy that I made some in clear, and then I made some in white. So Thursday, I'm pulling in some double dangle stars from Sadie Stickers just to make it sparkle. And I did my coffee again. I'm using the coffee mug from the kit this time. Later that day, I think it was like around 1 o'clock, I had a orthopedic appointment, and that was like going to be a major appointment. He was going to tell me if my leg was healing or not. So good news, it is healing. I don't have to have a third surgery right now. He doesn't see that I need to have one. It's just going to take a little bit longer, and we both know that that is a setback for me to go back into surgery. So he made it up to me, like basically us together agreeing that, you know, either I do surgery or I don't do surgery. So he thought it was okay that I didn't have to do it. So I pulled in some deco from the printable kit, which is Tralala stickers, if I didn't say. And that doctor's appointment script in hollow there is from Nicole Alexia Designs. Later that day, I got some Happy Mail. Pulled in another icon from the kit, and the little girl there is from Shine Sticker Studios, and I just thought that was cute because she was so happy. On the second Friday, I went and got my nails done, which is the pink nails that I'm wearing there, and it's called First Kiss. I really love like pink nails, and before I had the blue, and I felt like those were pretty too, but I guess I just went back to my comfort zone of the pink. So I have to see what color I want to try next. Next, I pulled in a box from my leftovers from JK Creates Co. to mark that we had a rainy day, and this little rain cloud is from a Recollections book, The Basics, and the umbrella is from Maisie McCrazy. I did get another order of Happy Mail, and I used the sticker mail from the printable kit to mark the Happy Mail. And then on Saturday it rained again, and I pulled in another one of those umbrellas from Maisie McCrazy, and I used the scallop divider from Sadie Stickers. And then I marked that we had a pizza night, and the script is from Nicole Alexia Designs, and I pulled in the deco from the printable. I did a little bit of journaling later that night, like really late, and I did end up posting that on Instagram, and I used the pen and the little hearts from Shine Sticker Studio book and some deco from the kit. And the planner that I'm gonna pull in is from Amazing the Crazy. And Sunday, July 4th, I just decided to pull in a flag. I didn't have any like holiday script to say 4th of July, so I just pulled that in, pulled in the little star dangle deco, another script of the hollow from Shine Sticker Studio that I cut down. In the morning, I did like a family check-in to see what we were going to be doing for the 4th of July. Normally on Sundays we cook at my aunt's house, so since it was the 4th of July, I just wanted to see if we were going to do anything different. I did do a upload as well. I uploaded 2 videos, a plan with me, and then I started kind of like a new series of doing my weekly plan with me's in my happy planner book. So now I upload those. I try to upload those every Sunday. We also watched the fireworks, and we had like a grill party, like the entire street at my aunt's house. Like all of us got together and we all like grilled something, and we all like basically like a pop-up, and that was like really fun. So now I'm just adding everything in. The rainy days, I got happy mail from the Pretty Pink Co. on Friday. I got happy mail from JK Creates Co. as well as Paper Muse Craft on Thursday. And I'm marking that we went to Walmart. And the chicken soup. So this kit was from Tralalastickers, and I used the bottom washi and a few other things from Sadie's stickers. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a like, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Bye.